My name's Kelly Turtle. I'm the education worker in the Commission. Today the Human Rights Commission has been meeting with young people to talk to them about our report to the United Nations on the Convention on the Rights of the Child. So we need to gather young people's views, we need to discuss those issues with them, find out how those issues actually affect their lives, and make sure that the points we're putting to the UN are reasonable and reflect the real experiences of children and young people.
I'm Sophie McVeigh and I come from Carrickfergus. I think one of the most important things was that it sort of stretched what we would know as young people and forced us to step outside of what we knew. For example, there were a lot of questions on foster care, criminal responsibility, things that wouldn't necessarily have affected me directly, but something that certainly young people should be more aware of that's going on in the community. I think events like this are really important to young people. I think there should definitely be more of them, and hopefully the Human Rights Commission decides off the back of today that this is something they'd like to be involved in again.
My name is Thomas and I'm from Derry. I think the fact that we can, sort of debate major issues, like there's issues such as integrated education, academic selection and mental health, and it's good to have so many views from across Northern Ireland and have them contribute in terms of how these issues are affecting young people. I think that this sort of event is very important for young people to get involved in, especially to have their voice heard on such important issues. I think that I would highly recommend that people come forward and make sure that young people have a say in how their human rights are being respected here in Northern Ireland.
It's really important that children and young people get the opportunity to be involved in issues of public policy, in decision making that affects their lives, whether that's on an individual level or at a government level. So when we're engaging with the government on issues of children's rights, children being involved in that process is hugely important. It should make a difference to the outcome. Children's views should be acted upon. But also for those individual children, young people, it should be an empowering experience. It gives young people more of a sense of involvement in decision making, makes them feel more engaged in society and in their communities. So it's really important for an organisation like ours to do this.